about the accounting treatment of goodwill in case of the change in profit sharing ratio, one of the modes of the reconstitution of the partnership. Okay. So, how we will be doing the accounting treatment of goodwill? The first thing, we should know some basic points related with that. When we are talking about the goodwill, according to Accounting Standard 26, goodwill is only accounted when some consideration in money or money worth is paid for it. Goodwill is only accounted in the books when we are paying some money or money worth for it. As we have already discussed in the previous videos related with the goodwill, where we have seen that there were two types of goodwill, purchase and self-generated goodwill. So when we are paying some money or money worth for the goodwill, then only it will be accounted in the books of accounts. जब तक हम गुडविल के लिए कोई पैसा नहीं देते हैं या उसको परचेज नहीं करते हैं, तब तक वो गुडविल हमारी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स में शो नहीं होती है. So goodwill will only be shown when we will be paying some money or money worth in the form of, let's say, assets or any other kind. Then only we will record the goodwill in the books of accounts. Unless and until it is said to you that you have paid the money or money worth in the books of accounts, you will not show the goodwill. That will be adjusted through the partner capital or current account. उसका एडजस्टमेंट हम पार्टनर के कैपिटल अकाउंट से या करंट अकाउंट से करेंगे. As we know this thing that there are two types of concepts. One is fixed capital and one is fluctuating capital. So when we are talking about the fixed capital, all the adjustments will be made through current account. And when we are talking about the fluctuating capital, all the adjustments will be made through partner's capital account only. Unless and until it is said to you that which capital is there, it is always assumed that there is a fluctuating capital. So how we will be showing the treatment of goodwill in this case? जब हमारे को गुडविल का एडजस्टमेंट करना है इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, तो हम उसको कैसे शो करेंगे? सो वी हैव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्री. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्री. ओके, सो व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ गुडविल थ्रू कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट, जब हमको गुडविल का एडजस्टमेंट कैपिटल या करंट अकाउंट से करना है, फॉर दैट वी विल रिक्वायर टू थिंग्स. हमें उसके लिए दो चीजों की जरूरत है. वन इज गेनिंग एंड वन इज सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो ऑफ द पार्टनर. बिकॉज ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द एग्रीमेंट ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, वन पार्टनर विल गेन एंड द अदर पार्टनर may sacrifice. Okay, there may be more than one partner also. So we need first the gaining and the sacrificing ratios of the partner. On the basis of that thing only we will decide that how much amount is to be adjusted in their capital or current account by debiting or crediting a particular partner's capital or current account. So the entry for this process will be like this: gaining partner's capital account debit, gaining partner's current account debit. Out of this, only one will take place. If it is your fixed capital, then you have to debit by current account, and if the capital is fluctuating, so then it will be capital account. Okay, so you have to see this thing that which capital is being followed by you. So debit to sacrificing partners capital account and to sacrificing partners current account. दोनों में से एक ही चीज आएगी. Either it will be through capital account or it will be through current account. Individually, if we will talk, so ये ऐसा जाएगा: gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Okay, when it is a fluctuating capital. Gaining partners current account debit to sacrificing partners current account when the capitals are fixed. ये दो अलग अलग मोड में चल सकती है. We have made it a compound entry, कंबाइन कर रखी है अभी हमने इसको. Okay, so why we are passing this entry? Being the adjustment made for goodwill on change in profit sharing ratio. Whatever is the amount of goodwill we have to adjust at the time of change in profit sharing ratio, we have passed an adjustment entry. Okay. Now, what will be the amount of goodwill? The amount of goodwill is the valued goodwill which will be there given to you, and what is the share of gain or sacrifice. Okay. On the basis of that thing, we will find the amount of goodwill. कितना अमाउंट आएगा गुडविल का यहाँ पे जो एडजस्ट करना है. तो जिस पार्टनर ने गेन किया है और सेक्रीफाइस किया है, पूरी गुडविल जो भी वैल्यूड हो रही है उसका उतना पार्ट वो दोनों पार्टनर्स के अकाउंट में एडजस्ट किया जाएगा. ओके, so this is one concept, that adjustment of goodwill to capital or current account. Sometimes it is said to us that we have to raise the goodwill and then we have to write off the goodwill also. कई बार ये भी सिचुएशन आती है, raising and return of goodwill. So when we are saying this thing that the goodwill should be first raised in the capital account and then it should be again written off from the capital account. So there we have to follow these journals. Goodwill account debit to partners capital oblique current account. Same concept on the basis of the capital only. कौन सी कैपिटल है, फ्लक्चुएटिंग या फिक्स, तो दोनों में से कोई एक चीज आएगी आपके पास. ठीक, तो गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर कैपिटल ऑब्लिक पार्टनर करंट अकाउंट, being the amount of goodwill raised and credited to partners in old ratio. जो भी old ratio था उसमें हमने ये गुडविल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया और पार्टनर्स के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर दिया. सेकंड एंट्री विच दिस विल बी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल ऑब्लिक करंट अकाउंट डेबिट. सेम थिंग, कैपिटल या करंट दोनों में से एक चीज होगी. टू गुडविल. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव डेबिटेड द सेम गुडविल बट विद द न्यू रेशियो. हमने सेम गुडविल अमाउंट जो हमारा ऊपर हमने क्रेडिट किया था बट इट वाज विद ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, नाउ वी हैव डेबिटेड इट विद द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. So we have written off that amount of goodwill. पहले हमने रेज किया, पार्टनर्स के अकाउंट को क्रेडिट किया और फिर हमने उसी अमाउंट ऑफ गुडविल को नए रेशियो से कैलकुलेट करके उनके अकाउंट पे डेबिट करके उसको राइट ऑफ करने की कोशिश करते. तो राइट ऑफ हो गए. So at the end of the day, the net effect is same. Net effect यही रहेगा. Okay? आप यहाँ भी देखेंगे कि न्यू रेशियो में गया एक बार ओल्ड रेशियो में गया, तो देयर विल बी द डिफरेंस इन द अमाउंट. सो द नेट इफेक्ट व्हाट इट विल बी जस्ट लाइक द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ गुडविल. वो सेम फॉर्म में ही आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू शो द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल by passing the entries or the general entries according to the need. When it is said that you have to make the adjustment to capital or current account, so this is one general entry which you have to pass. And when it is said to you that you will be raising and writing off the goodwill, so there will be two general entries. Unless and until it is said to you that raise and return off is followed, you will not do this work. This work will only be done when it is told to you. Okay, otherwise standard we have to follow this portion only, that is gaining partners capital oblique current account debit to sacrificing partners capital oblique current account. So this is the general entry related with the adjustment of goodwill at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Now the calculations related with the amount that we will be discussing with the help of the numerical. एक न्यूमेरिकल करके हम वो वाली कैलकुलेशन भी डिस्कस करते हैं कि कैसे अमाउंट कैलकुलेट होगा और फिर किस तरीके से हम जनरल एंट्रीज को उनको डालेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस डिस्कस दिस थिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल. ओके, वन न्यूमेरिकल. इट इज सेड दैट Anu and Bala shared profit in the ratio 3:2. There were two partners, Anu and Bala. profit in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so this was their profit sharing ratio, and from 1st April 2019 they agreed to share the profit equally with effect from 1/4/19. They decided to share profit equally. Okay, that is 1:1. Now at that point of time the goodwill of the firm was valued at the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 50,000. So this was the firm's goodwill which we have valued on the date, that is 1/4/19. It was 50,000 rupees. Now we have to show the accounting treatment of goodwill. Now the accounting treatment related with goodwill, that how much amount is to be adjusted in the partner account according to gaining and sacrificing made by the partner. In case if it is adjustment through capital account, and if it is said that we have to raise and write off, so then we will be following this part. So we will see both the parts simultaneously here. Okay, so 50,000 is the valuation of goodwill. Now first thing what we will be going through, we will be seeing that we have to find out the exact amount of goodwill which will be compensated by the gaining partners towards the sacrificing partner. So for this we have to follow certain steps. The first step is determining the gaining and sacrificing ratio of partners. The first thing we have to do is determine the gain and sacrificing ratio of the partner. So we have already seen this thing, that how we have to find out the gaining and sacrificing ratio. Here old ratio is also given and new ratio is also given. So new and old both the ratios are given to you, so we can make the use of any one formula. So let's say we take the formula of new ratio. So new ratio formula is, okay, we take the formula, it is of gaining ratio. Okay, so formula for gaining ratio will be new ratio minus old ratio. So with this we will be finding that which partner has gained and which has sacrificed. So there were two partners, Anu. So Anu new ratio is 1/2, that is 1:1, minus old ratio 3/5. 2 and 5 not common figure, so we will take the LCM of 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 LCM, 2 ones are 2 and 5 ones are 5, so 2 5s are 10. Okay, now divide this 10 with 2, so 2 5s are 10, so 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10 and then 2 6s are 6. So this becomes minus 1/10. So when it is minus 1/10, that means this partner has sacrificed, because we have used the formula of gaining ratio. Now comes to Bala. 1/2 minus 2/5. So again same thing, 10, 2 5s are 5 1s are 5, minus 5 2s are, then 2 2s are 4. So it is 1/10 gained by Bala. So Anu is sacrificing 1/10 and Bala is gaining 1/10. Okay, So that is the ratio, that is 1/10 gained by one partner and 1/10 sacrificed by another partner. Second step, okay, we have to determine the value of goodwill also, but in this case goodwill is already given to us, that is 50,000. So now there is no need to find out the value of goodwill because it is already given to us. After this we will see that what is the total amount which is to be adjusted. So amount to be adjusted, so this will be 50,000 is the amount of goodwill, and gaining and sacrificing ratio, that is 1/10. So 1/10 amount is to be adjusted, so that is 5,000 rupees. So total amount of 5,000 rupees will be adjusted, compensated by the gaining partner towards the sacrificing partner. So we have got this amount, that is 5,000 rupees. Now it is said that the goodwill was to be adjusted in the gaining and sacrificing ratio. The third step, we will be writing the journal. So journal entry, okay, what it is saying that gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner. So who was the gaining partner here? Bala. So Bala is gaining partner. So Bala capital account debit. We are assuming that the capital is fluctuating, so that is Bala's capital account debit to Anu's capital account. So this is the amount of 5,000 rupees which we have adjusted in both the partner account. Okay. So goodwill, that is general entry related with goodwill. Bala's capital account debit to Anu's capital account 5,000. Narration, that goodwill amount is adjusted in the partner capital account at the time of change in ratio. So this is the first case which we have observed, that is when there was a adjustment of goodwill according to gaining and sacrificing ratio. Now the same thing, this 50,000 rupees, they have said it should be raised and written off. So when it is said that it should be raised and written off, so what we will be doing? First we will be crediting this 50,000 rupees to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. So let this thing will be like this. Goodwill account debit to Anu's capital account and to Bala's capital account, because these are the two partners and their profit sharing ratio, the old ratio is 3:2. So this 50,000 will be divided in the ratio 3:2. So goodwill is debited by 50,000 rupees. Okay, and 3:2 means 5 parts. One part becomes 10,000. So 3 parts for Anu and 2 for Bala. So here it will be like this: 30,000 to Anu and 20,000 to Bala. So what we have done, we have first credited this goodwill in the partner's capital account in their old ratio. Now the same amount of goodwill will be debited in the new profit sharing ratio. We have first raised and now we will be writing off. So writing off, so it will be partner's capital account debit, okay, to, that is amounting to rupees 50,000. So here it will be like this, both the partners will be debited. Okay, so it will be Anu's capital account debit, Bala's capital account This will be the new ratio. So new ratio is equal. तो 50,000 को इक्वली बांट दीजिए. 25,000 will go to Anu and 25,000 will go to Bala. Okay, being the amount of goodwill debited to partners in new profit sharing ratio. We have debited this amount in the new profit sharing ratio. Now you can see this thing, that what we were talking about, the effect. Once Anu is being credited by 30,000 and next time it is debited by 25,000. So overall effect, credit 5,000 for Anu, and Bala is being credited with 20 and now debited with 25. So overall effect, 5,000 debit to Bala. So here it is like this: Bala capital account debit 5,000 to Anu capital account 5,000. At the end of the day, the net effect will be this only. Okay. So there are two different concepts for the accounting treatment related with goodwill in case of change in profit sharing ratio. So with the help of this explanation, now you will be able to solve the various problems related with the treatment of goodwill at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. So what you have to do? First, determine the gaining sacrificing ratio of the partner, and afterwards find the amount to be adjusted, and that is the total amount of valued goodwill into gain in sacrificing of partner, and then you have to pass the general entry. General entry depends on the criteria that if you are supposed to adjust in the gaining sacrificing ratio, do that thing, and it is said that when goodwill is raised and written off, so follow these two general entries. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.